In this Illustrator tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn text into shapes. So to convert text into shapes, you need to do something called outline your text. That doesn't sound like the same thing that we're trying to do, but it is. If we select a piece of text and go up to Type, down to Change or Create Outlines. This is Shift-Command-O or Shift-Control-O on PC. This will convert our text into shape elements. But if we have multiple letters and words in our text, all of those are going to be grouped together. So what you're going to want to do is right-click on your new group and ungroup that group. And once you ungroup it, it'll probably break it up at least into words, if not into also letters. Now all of these letters are shapes. So if we zoom in here, Command or Control Z, we can see that they have anchor points. And if we press A for the direct selection tool, we can select these individual anchor points. So now that our text is a shape, we can actually skew it, move it around, make some adjustments. We can click and drag to grab multiple points and then just pull them in and out. And we can do a lot of different things with our text now that it's a shape. We can also add different elements to it easier, like gradients and color individual letters, and run imagery behind the text and things like that. So having our text converted to a shape not only allows us to edit it in different ways, but it also allows us to, or allows someone else to not have to have the font. Now, there is not a way to go back because you've turned it into a shape, so Illustrator doesn't really know what font that was. But there's a new feature in Illustrator. If we select, for instance, this shapes word and right-click, there's something called Retype Beta. Now, Illustrator has built in with Adobe Fonts a way to take shapes or take images, words in images, and convert them back to text. And if we click on Retype, it's going to pull this open, and it's going to guess at some fonts that it might be. In this case, this Nitty Grotesque Black is actually the font that it is. And so you could sync that font right here. Now, it's not going to convert exactly this back into text, but what it will do is give you that font, let you sync it, and then allow you to come out here. And if we press the Escape key to exit out of Retype, then you could just retype that word. So I could retype shapes now that I've synced this correct font, and then I could just size this to be the size that I need it to be, and then I have it retyped. And so now I have a live piece of editable text rather than just the shapes. So Shift Command O is the create outlines here in Illustrator, and that allows you to convert text into shapes. The other thing you could do, which I never do, I always just use create outlines, but you could expand your type. If we expand the object and the fill, now we have this same thing. We just created shapes out of our text and we ungroup it, and now we have all these individual letters. That's another way to do that, but you could also just do the create outlines in the type dropdown. And that's how to convert your text into shapes here in Illustrator.